Hello, thank you for coming to my channel today. This is the Cricut mug press. And when you first buy this, you need to hook it up to the computer and register it. When you first turn it on, the light will be orange and you know when it's ready when it hits green. So I got the mugs, and I bought this from, I believe, Joann Fabrics. I got the mugs from Joann Fabrics as well. I think they was on sale, like buy one, get one, buy one, get one free, I believe. I also have the sublimation transfer, and you see it's backwards, but when you press it, it will become the correct way. I have two different kinds of tape, heat safe tape. However, I don't use the brown one anymore because the brown one leaves marks on my mugs. So wherever I have the tape at on the mugs, you see a brown tint on it. So that's why I purchased the clear one. And I bought both of these from Amazon. So with the mug, just gonna take it like this. And I have some tape already pre-cut because I don't have a tape dispenser as of this moment. So I got some tape pieces already cut. So I'm just going to line it up. So you can even have it on this side or turn the mug this way. Depends on if you're left-handed or right-handed. So I'm just going to have this mug this way. I'm going to move down some, like this. And I'm just going to take this out. This is the second mug press I have. I have a black one, not Cricut brand, but I have a black one. And that one I ordered off of Amazon. I'll do another video, not Amazon, I ordered off of eBay. I'll do another video with that and show the difference. This one is the newer one. The other one is another one. So I have it set like this. And when it press, it's going to come out the right way. So you just sit it here in the mug press. And when you press it down, let me turn the mug like that. And you see the number, the lights right here. This is going to move as well, and it's going to come up and let you know when it's done. But you can see the lights move. So right now the mug is heating up, and it's activating the heat to be on the mug. Okay, so as you see, I stopped the camera because it's going to take a little process. As you see, the buttons have been lit up, like the little dots. It's lit up. So we're on the fourth one. Then it's going to come to the fifth one. Then this is going to raise up, and they let you know that the mug is done. I can't find my heat safe glove at the moment, so hopefully the handle is not hot when I pick it up. So we're almost done with the fourth light. We just need the fifth one. So again, these are the heat safe tapes, the brown and the clear. I prefer the clear because the brown leaves marks on my mugs. It might be fine with yours, but mine leaves marks. I don't have a tape dispenser, and I'm gonna get that. And these are Cricut brand mugs, and this is the Cricut mug press. And I'm gonna do a side-by-side of my other mug press that I have compared to this one. And I'll tell you my likes and dislikes on both of them. So here go the fifth light. And when that one becomes solid, this will raise up. So now that it raised, the mug is fine. So as you see, you can tell that the mug press did get hot, because now you see the image clear and you see the paper is now brown. So I really would do this with a heat safe glove on, but I can't find it. So here's the image. And you see how clear that is? Nice and bright. And here's the transfer. But they came out really nice, and it says happy fall. And you see how it was backwards on the paper, and then it's the correct way on the mug. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them below and I'll answer them. And I'll also do another video side by side of my other mug press compared to this one. Thank you. Bye.